This video is made by Desatu from lignanssupplement.com. As you may have noticed on the website lignanssupplement.com, the product we feature is made of lignans extracted from Norwegian spruce, which made it a high-performing antioxidant. It also has anti-inflammatory and antimicrobial properties. So as you understand what are lignans, we decided to make this article and compared the lignans in Fountain of Life drops with other well-known lignans on the market. This article done by Beatrice, a professional writer and an expert in this industry and organic life lover, explains to you what are lignans and the difference between the two main lignans on the market. You will go through the features of each one and you can find the 4 key feature comparison, the active ingredients, the efficiency rate, the dosage requirement and the adverse side effects. As the foods we eat have become refined, we have lost the nutritional value that was once part of our diet. The quality and quantity of lignans have decreased, opening the doors for damaging oxidative stress from the formation of free radicals. This has a direct impact on our health, as our refined foods have lost their natural, protective value. Free radicals from pollution, UV exposure and pesticides can damage our DNA. Oxidative stress from free radicals cause chronic inflammation, which is a factor in many health issues. For years, lignans found in our foods have served us to protect our bodies from this potential harm. Unfortunately, progress has eliminated much of this from our diets as the yield has increased but the nutritive value has been lowered. We need to embrace the challenges and augment our lignan-poor food sources with a supplement that boosts their ability to neutralize free radicals that cause chronic inflammation. Flaxseed lignans are more commonly available in the market and are prescribed more frequently than Norwegian spruce lignans. However, that is solely due to their increased availability and popularity as a superfood. If we strictly focus on their features, the benefits lay heavier for Norwegian spruce lignans as they are required in lower doses, have greater benefits and cause no adverse reactions. The same can't be said for flaxseed lignans, unfortunately. Fountain of Life FOL accesses the power of the spectrum of lignans from the Norwegian spruce tree. Its incredible antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties serves to supplement our nutrient-poor, refined foods. Fountain of Life is therefore nature's most powerful source of lignans. Fountain of Life drops provide us with a daily source of lignans to help boost our immune system. Fountain of Life is produced by Opulence Global, a Toronto-based company. Here is their Instagram, on which you can see some of their other body products and fashion accessories. All those products are Europe or North America made and sent worldwide. To get the bottle from our website, lignanssupplement.com, you just click on the quantity button that will direct you to the purchase site, where you sign up and add the product to your cart. Simply follow the instructions. For information, the price shown is in Canadian dollars. Wherever you are in the world, your parcel will be delivered to your doorstep. If you follow the link and purchase in the description below, you will receive a bonus guide from us. It's a premium guide on how to boost your immune system with food. We've got recipes information too. Let me just scroll through this so you can kind of get a sense of how much is in here, and this is one of additional resources you get. I really hope you try Fountain of Life FOL through our link. You can message me in the comments if you have any questions. And go to lignanssupplement.com. I'll put the link in the description so you can get your bottles with us. So that's it for the video. I'm looking forward to hearing from you. This is Desatu Akuma from lignanssupplement.com. Meet you in the next video. Thanks. Bye.